Hello guys, here's my engineer Ubaid from Pakistan. Today we have to learn about the steel material properties, how to put in ABAQUS 6.14. One thing is that initially we have to go in the property and we have to create the material. Our material is steel properties. Initially we have to put the mass density of steel. It depends on us that we are using A36 steel or 60 KSI. So mass density of steel, which is 7.85 multiplied by 10 to raise power minus 9. Again, we have to define elastic properties, for which we have to go in the mechanical properties section, in which Young modulus, which is 200 gigapascal, and the Poisson's ratio. Here's fail stress and fail strain. Two sub options are created but we have not used. And elastic type is isotropic. It depends upon our sample that what we have to use. Isotropic engineering constants, orthotropic and isotropic, but here we have to use isotropic. Similarly, we have to define plastic behavior of steel, in which yield modulus, yield stress and plastic strain we have to define. Okay. These are the steel properties we already have defined. Density, plastic, plastic. Okay.